Brian here with Thanks.io. I want to take a quick look at our visitor view, our internal visitor view recipients list here. And you can see it's 2,388 people who have been added to this mailing list in Thanks. And this mailing list is called Thanks.io website retargeting. Now, if you don't know what visitor view is our script that finds your anonymous website visitors. And what it does is it finds about 20%. You can see the script here. You can find it in every mailing list. And what happens is you install this on your website, and then it starts to find contact info of the people visiting your site, including, let's see right here, in a lot of cases, you get an email address and you get a phone number in a fair amount of cases as well. So basically, it's kind of anonymous lead generation. Now, the way that we're using this internally is a couple of ways. First, we automatically send a message. So if I go to the campaigns page here, we automatically send a Thanks.io website retargeting, you can see right here, and we send a 4x6 postcard that basically thanks the person for being on our website. Now, this is Thanks.io at its best, of course, because what this does is it reminds somebody that they were on our website about a week later when the postcard arrives, pulls them back into our fold. And honestly, this is the way that we have grown internally for the most part. Is somebody hits our website, they interact, they create a free account or something, and they get something in the mail. And this is something that any business owner can probably do. You can do this if you have a website or if you have a customer base. You can retarget, so to speak, and call people back with direct mail, and that is the essence of Thanks.io. You thank somebody for visiting, and you bring them further down your sales path or your funnel. So that's one way we're doing it. We're collecting the data about the visitor, and then the other thing we're doing here, if we hop on over to Zapier, is we're saying, hey, anytime somebody hits that mailing list and they're found by Visitor View, then we want to also send them a quick follow-up email. So I send a very quick email, just says, hi, thanks for checking out Thanks.io. Do you have any questions about the platform? Just to get the conversations going, right? Just to try to pull people further into our fold and engage. Every business should be trying to send some kind of conversation starting message right after the lead comes in. And then we're also pushing them into our CRMs, for follow-up via email marketing and other ways. If we want to, if we see somebody interesting and we have a phone number, maybe we can schedule a task and call them, for example. And you can do all the same things, of course, with Visitor View for your own business. Again, since about November when we launched Visitor View, I believe it was November, we've collected 2,389 visitors on our site. Now, is all of this 1,000% accurate? No, but for the most part it is. And you can see that in a lot of cases, we are getting that accurate contact info that we can then call, email if we want to. And of course, we're always getting an address. You get an address 100% of the time that you can automatically trigger a follow-up postcard to. So if you'd like help implementing this in your own business, just go ahead, reply to this email or head on over to the little chat box down at the bottom right of Thanks.io here and just talk to us and say, hey, guys, help me set that up. You can just hit the contact button, let us know. We'll help you set this up. If you are on our business plan, we'll just do it for you free of charge. You do need to be on the business plan in order to access this functionality. But once you've got the business plan set up, then we'll just go ahead and implement this for you. We'll install the script on your website and we'll build the message and the image templates that get automatically triggered, and we'd even be happy to set up the Zap that sends the contact info into your CRM if you want to. Just go ahead over to Thanks.io, upgrade to the business plan, and chat with us via the little widget down at the bottom. Thanks for listening today. This has been a review of Thanks.io's Visitor View functionality.